Editing a WordPress website with Elementor, a popular drag-and-drop page builder, is a user-friendly process. Here's a concise guide. Install Elementor. Ensure Elementor is installed on your WordPress site. You can do this by going to the plugins section in the WordPress dashboard and searching for Elementor. Create or edit a page. Navigate to the page you want to edit or create a new one. Click on Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor editor. Use Elementor interface. Elementor provides a live front-end editing experience. The left panel displays widgets and elements, and the right panel showcases the live preview of your page. Add elements. Drag and drop elements from the left panel onto your page. Customize text, images, and other content directly on the live preview. Edit sections and columns. Modify the structure of your page by adding or adjusting sections and columns. Adjust width, height, and spacing with ease. Style settings. Customize the design using the style settings. Change colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand or design preferences. Templates and blocks. Explore Elementor's templates and blocks library for pre-designed sections. Import and customize these elements to save time and enhance your design. Preview and save. Regularly preview your changes and, once satisfied, click Save to apply the modifications to your live site. Responsive editing. Ensure your design is responsive by toggling between different device views. Make adjustments for mobile and tablet experiences. Explore advanced features. As you become more proficient, explore advanced features like animations, custom CSS, and dynamic content using Elementor Pro.